Doing a walk through the Jetter's Edge today. It's our KTM giveaway. Thermal cameras if you need one for end of financial year. Rigid camera range. We've got so many in stock it's not funny. These are different jetters and pressure washers. That's the keg jet there. It's a Raptor. It's a big Vanguard 31s. Race jets. It's getting pretty busy here for June. Out in the workshop packing orders to go to Queensland and Victoria. There's a mini reel and a camera going out to Victoria. Some hoses. What do you got there, Pete?
Yeah, just packing the one for Tasmania.
Off to Tassie. Very good. Got some more machines we're prepping, ready to go. So it's going to be busy for June, so if you think of getting a tax break, now's the time. Here's some